You have actually sat down at one place, have thought about your fears continuously, have done a lot of overthinking, and have created a lot of anxiety in you. So, if you have the power to create that anxiety in you, you also have the power to heal that anxiety because you are the creator. You are responsible for it. Take charge and you can heal it as well. So, if you want to figure that out, this video is for you. This video is part two of the anxiety video. What to do in anxiety, we will discuss today. But what is exactly anxiety and why do you feel anxiety is covered in part one. I would suggest you that you go and check that video first and then continue that what to do in anxiety. You need to know the foundation of anxiety. If you don't know me, I am Mind Coach Jyoti. I am an educator turned life coach, empowering people with mind tools not taught in schools so that you can defeat those patterns of stress, fear, and anxiety and create your desired life. You have that ability to create a big life. You have the ability to be successful, but right now you are trapped in stress and anxiety. जब stress and anxiety से ऊपर ही नहीं उठ पाएंगे तो life create कैसे करेंगे? So this video is for you if you want to figure out how really you want to get over it. You need to learn mind mastery. You need to understand first how your mind creates anxiety. That is the part one. And let's look at today what to do when you feel anxious. So, number one is the awareness. Awareness is a fantastic tool to get into any kind of healing process. Your mind is 90% subconscious and 10% conscious, or even 95% subconscious, 5% conscious. And your life is governed by subconscious. But you think that 5% conscious mind doesn't have power? It is extremely powerful. Why? Because only that 5% of you becomes conscious about your automatic subconscious, checks where is the problem and figures it out and settles it out. So 5% conscious power or that awareness is extremely, extremely powerful. So when you get to know what exactly causes anxiety in me, when you sit and you realize that I am just thinking of something which is irrational, which is not going to kill me, but my reptilian mind thinks that I will be killed and my reptilian mind is releasing sugar into my body, the very awareness will change the meaning of anxiety. The very awareness will help you get over it. A simple self-talk at that point of time that, all right, I am not dying it. Oh, yes, I can handle it. All you have to do is communicate back to your mind that there is no tiger which has come to kill me here. Even a simple gesture of I am well or all is well can make you feel better. You can try it anytime. You do it, I am well, or all is well, all is well. Even if you do right now just a little patting here, you will start feeling better. आप चाइल्डहुड से एंकर्ड हैं इस चीज के लिए क्योंकि जब आप बहुत रोते थे तो शायद आपको पैट कर करके चुप कराया गया था. So you are already anchored to become better when you're patted well. Then this is awareness. Number two is that you have to do some mathematics. Do some maths in mind. I hope you've heard it. It is very common and very suggested by people that whenever you are angry, start counting 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, and you will feel better. But why does this happen? So if we understand and we remember the mechanism of anxiety, the logical mind is kind of shutting down. And the energy that the current is like powerhouse being shut. And that energy going into the body, into the cells, either to run away or to fight. So, but when you do some mathematics, when you consciously do like what is 7, 6, okay, it's 42. What if I double 42? What if I add 4 plus 2? If you do some maths like that, the area which is supposed to do those calculations has to be enlightened again. So the energy which is rushing into your body, causing that palpitation, causing that butterflies in stomach, causing that trembling in legs, causing that headache is most probably will go back and start working as you order. So you should start doing some mathematics for sure. Do some maths there. Or take your awareness to some other number around. Take your awareness to some figure around. Change the thought process. And that is how your mind will understand that you are in a safer place. And the third one is that exercise. Regular exercise is extremely, extremely important. We all know that. but you don't have a stronger reason for it. That is why you don't do it. Because all our books, we have really understood that how we should exercise, but we haven't understood the real deep reasons that why you should exercise. Yes, it makes us healthy. Who doesn't want to be healthy? But are you doing it? No, na. That is why your reptilian mind hasn't understood it. If you are suffering anxiety, that means you are releasing stress chemicals into your blood anytime and every time you feel stress, anytime and every time you feel fearful. एंड कैलकुलेट करें पूरे दिन में कितना टाइम आप ज्यादा, दिन में छोड़े पिछले कुछ सालों में देख लें, आप ज्यादा खुश रहे हैं या ज्यादा हैप्पी रहे हैं, ज्यादा सैड रहे हैं या ज्यादा एंग्शियस रहे हैं. तो जब आप सैड और एंग्शियस रहते हैं तो आपके बॉडी में अलग तरीके के केमिकल्स रिलीज होते हैं. जब आप हैप्पी रहते हैं तो आपके ब्लड में अलग तरीके के केमिकल्स रिलीज होते हैं. एंड यू बिकम अ केमिकल सूप जिसमें कौन से केमिकल्स ज्यादा हैं. सो इफ यू हैव बीन स्ट्रेस्ड ओवर क्वाइट सम ईयर्स, आप एक परमानेंट केमिकल सूप बन चुके हैं. आप एक गुड कंडक्टर हैं स्ट्रेस के. आप बहुत अच्छे कंडक्टर हैं स्ट्रेस के. अब थोड़ा सा भी कुछ हो जाए तो आप इजीली स्ट्रेस आउट हो सकते हैं. आपको बड़ी जल्दी एंजाइटी हो सकती है. आपने अपने आप को इतना अच्छा कंडक्टर बना लिया एंजाइटी का. लेकिन अगर आप अपनी बॉडी में अच्छे केमिकल्स लाइक एंडोर्फिन्स, ऑक्सीटोसिन्स, जो आपके हैप्पीनेस के लिए, फील गुड के लिए, पेन किलर लाइक नेचुरल पेन किलर्स, अगर आपको वो चाहिए बॉडी में, एक्सरसाइज इज द बेस्ट सोर्स. इनफैक्ट जब आप एंजाइटी की मेडिसिन लेने जाते हैं तो भी आपको यही केमिकल्स खाने में दिए जाते हैं. इट्स बेटर दैट यू गो एंड एक्सरसाइज, रन. योर बॉडी इज मेंट टू मूव. योर बॉडी जितना ये मूव करती है उतना आपका माइंड अच्छा रहता है. योर बॉडी मूव्स, योर ब्रेन ग्रूव्स. Exercise is very important. So when you exercise, if not exercise, please start going for a walk. Please take a moment. Even when you're feeling anxious, move around, move around. As it is, your body starts shaking, you know, your body tries to release that energy. Why do you want your body to go to a last limit and try the coping mechanism? Why don't you give it to your body already? And there are things like neurogenesis where the new neurons are developed, like brain derived neurotropic factor. इसका कोई और सोर्स है ही नहीं एक्सरसाइज के अलावा. यू नीड टू स्वेट अ लिटिल, यू रियली नीड टू स्वेट अ लिटिल. और स्वेट करते हुए आप सारे टॉक्सिन्स भी रिलीज कर देते हैं. तो अगर अभी आपको लगता है दैट आई डोंट नो व्हाई एम आई एंग्शियस, बिकॉज आप क्रोनिकली एंजाइटी आपको आ चुकी है, तो ऑल यू नीड टू डू इज जस्ट एक्सरसाइज सो दैट यू बिकम अ गुड कंडक्टर ऑफ हैप्पीनेस. अगर आपको लगता है आई डोंट नो व्हाट विल मेक मी हैप्पी, नथिंग मेक्स मी हैप्पी, and even if I remember my good purani yadein, I still am not happy. Why? Because you don't have those chemicals in your body that you become a good conductor of happiness. Happiness just doesn't pass through your cells. So exercise, please exercise. Find some time to sweat a little and burn those chemicals out. And the last one is that focus on better things. Focus on better things, because wherever you focus, your energy goes and that thing grows. What is focus? Focus पे पूरा एक series है. The playlist is in the description box. You can go check them out that what is exactly focus. But here I would only like to explain this much, that अगर आपके रैस में, अगर आपके फोकस में सिर्फ और सिर्फ अपने फेलियर्स हैं, अपने फियर्स हैं, अपने ट्रॉमास हैं, अपनी पास्ट मिजरीज हैं, तो ऑब्वियस है कि आप एंजाइटी ही क्रिएट करते रहेंगे. लेकिन अगर आपके रैस में, दैट इज आपके फोकस में, अगर आपका फ्यूचरिस्टिक गोल्स हैं, दैट व्हाट शुड आई डू टू चेंज माय लाइफ, अगर उस तरीके के क्वेश्चंस हैं, तो ऑब्वियसली यू विल गेट आउट ऑफ एंजाइटी एंड यू विल क्रिएट मोर कॉन्फिडेंस. याद रखिए, आपका माइंड आपके हर सवाल का जवाब देता है. योर माइंड आंसर्स एवरी क्वेश्चन, बट डिड यू लर्न द आर्ट टू आस्क द राइट क्वेश्चंस? अगर आज आप अपने माइंड को पूछें, अभी पूछें व्हाट इफ आई फेल, योर माइंड विल क्लियरली टेल यू द आंसर एंड शो यू द बिटर रियलिटी. वो दिखा देगा आपको. लेकिन अगर उसी क्वेश्चन को आप चेंज करके पूछ लें व्हाट इफ आई सक्सीड, वो तो भी आपको एक सक्सेसफुल लाइफ भी दिखा देगा. योर माइंड आंसर्स एवरी क्वेश्चन irrespective of, उसे नहीं पता what is good and what is bad for you. It is like a Google search engine. So be careful what keyword you put in your focus. Be careful what question you ask your mind, because that will create your reality, or that will even create the anxiety. So if you've understood what to do try. Which method are you going to apply from right now? Do write in the comment section that this is what I will change right now. Abhi se hi main ye method apply karunga and I will change my life. Take charge of your life, take charge of your anxiety, and definitely understand more about focus. And you can follow that series also. If you want to know more about focus, do like, do subscribe, do hit the bell icon. You can visit my website www.jyotimehta.in and check out what is focus there. Till then, bye bye from Mind Coach Jyoti.